Junior? Kung saan man yung mga hugason dire? Ako pa'y mahugas ani? Ako lang sa nagpuyod dire sa balay? Wala mo yung mga kamot? Saan man eh?
Sabat guman, o may adlaw na di ka magyaw-yaw.
Pre! Saan itong pataa ato?
Kini akong mama no, kada daw na lang kapangyaw-yaw. Sa ganyan na yung problema eh. Bahala na eh. Kinahanglan para ako masulod ng klase. Wala pa akong amigo.
Am I who I am because of my genes or the life I've lived? I see my father in my eyes and my mother's temper in me. But how much of me is shaped by them and how much is shaped by my experience? I wonder if I have any choices in who I've become. Maybe nature and nurture aren't separate. They've woven together and just trying to figure out how to wear it out. Trust is built not by what we say, but by what we do. In relationships, words like "I'll always be there for you" only hold meaning if backed by action. A friend who shows up during tough times proves their loyalty far more than one who makes empty promises. Similarly, in professional settings, action like meeting deadlines and delivering results demonstrate reliability. Trust thrives on action because they leave no room for doubt.
Anything that is bad, but some actions we consider.
Wala ko kabalo kung tama ba to kung gibuhat nga mo tubag ang mama.
Sabat guman, o may adlaw na di ka magyaw-yaw.
Pero sobra mong good siya. Usahay mo yaw-yaw.
Mr. Dimodiba? Mr. Dimodiba? Sir. Kayo ka doon? Ikaw na sa basa.
And friendship, it's the small, thoughtful gestures that often mean the most. Checking in on a friend during a difficult time, remembering their favorite meal, or showing up to celebrate their successes are actions that speak louder than any words of affection.
Okay, Ragay.
Hindi ba eh? Si mama mo ko, si yaw-yaw sa balay. Nabilin na akong balon.
Ayay ka. Sus, bay. Normal lang sa mga mama.
Di sila goy. Kaya porkit nangasukos sa tuwa ba? Huwag sila gangay sa tuwa. Hindi ko kumarang kita nila goy. Ano ba? Ay, sit down dia. Love kasi mama. Goy, ay kabalat ka.
Gusto na akong mag-sorry kang mama kasi wala ko kabalo ang saon pagsugod.
That moment sparked something within me. I saw the lines on your face, the gray hairs, the tired eyes, yet your smile never faded. I realized that every late night, every skipped meal, and every missed opportunity was for me, for our family.
Actions are the proof of sincerity. They show character and build trust. Ultimately, it's not what we say but what we do that defines us. Words have the power to inspire, but actions demonstrate true intent. Consider someone promising to donate to a charity but never doing so. Their words are meaningless without follow-through. In contrast, a quiet act of kindness, like helping someone in need, creates real change without any verbal proclamation.
Na-realize na ko, tanan nga ginikanan, buhaton yun ang tanan, para lang sa tuwa. Ngayo ka kog pasaylo kang mama. Kulitan kaya ako sa bulak.
A reward or punishment. Mr. Dimodiba, give me one example of a family model.
Sir, kailan mata ko pagkaon sa lobby kasi mulay yung nakakapalo.
imo ba no nga bilin?
The actions we don't mean to take are the often ones that teach us the most about the strength of emotions, the value of restraint, and the power of an apology.
Sorry, ma.
Sorry pod nak.
Lisod man i-istorya ang gusto nimo i-istorya sa usa ka tao, pero your action really tell the real story.